Hey everybody, in this video I'd like to show you how to recalibrate or relearn your tire pressure sensors on your 2014 to 2018 Chevrolet Silverado, Tahoe, and Suburban, or your GMC Sierra and Yukon. The only tool we're going to need to do this is this recalibration tool for the tire pressure monitors. When we go to do the recalibrating or the relearn procedure, what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to do our left front tire first, then we're going to want to do our right front tire, then we're going to want to do right rear, finally left rear. To get this vehicle into the learn mode, the first thing I want to do is turn the ignition on. As soon as the ignition's on, you want to use your arrow keys and scroll down or up until it gets to the tire pressures. As soon as it gets to the tire pressures, you want to hold the check button down until the horn chirps. That lets you know the tire learning is active. At the left front tire, go ahead and take your tool, press the center button, and stick it onto the tire next to the sensor. The horn will chirp when the tire's learned. Move to the right front. Let's do the same thing with this one. Push the center button, put it next to the tire. As soon as the horns chirp, let's move to the right rear. Push the center button, go to the tire. Let's go to the left rear. Once we learn this one, the horn should blow and then should blow again, letting us know that the recalibration is finished. If you go to one of the tires and it doesn't blow the horn, that's an indication that one of the tire pressure sensors could be faulty. They come in multiple different size shapes depending on the vehicle and the application. And you're finished. I'll link the tire pressure sensors and the tire pressure sensor recalibration tool in the description below. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And as always, if you haven't already, please go ahead and subscribe. Thanks again for watching. Click that subscribe button. Help me help you. Go ahead and give the video a thumbs up or click one of these other videos wherever they are. Thanks again for watching.